Good afternoon, everybody. This is Will again here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Check this bad boy out. Got a 2026 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. It's going to be featured in the 41 exterior clear coat. Give you an up close on that. This one we just got wrapped up doing a minor small build. Nothing too crazy like the Moab 392 on 40s build, where we're swapping axles out and fabricating the Evo conversion kit. This is kind of the easier, budget-friendly build that you can kind of do yourself. So we'll go ahead and get into it. We installed a AEV 2-inch spacer kit lift. So we got those spacers on all four corners of the vehicle. So that's going to bring the whole vehicle up about 2 inches for the ride height. And we got 37-inch Toyo Open Country Mud Terrain tires. Give you an up close on this tread. I really like these wheels. Got a 17-inch satin, I would say satin, maybe a semi-gloss black worn wheel. And I don't think they're true beadlocks. I think they are beadlock capable. But I mean, really, really nice paired up with the 41 exterior. Work our way to the back. Did something a little different. We normally, opt out for the TerraFlex tire carrier. We went with a Evo tire carrier. Something different. I really like it, honestly. I think it's, one, it's more unique, and you know how it is. It kind of gets drawn out when you kind of use the same upgrades over and over again. But yeah, I mean, this is it. AEV 2-inch spacer kit lift, 37-inch Toyo Open Country Mud Terrain tires, and then the worn semi-gloss black wheels. And then we'll kind of get into some of the I guess factory equipment that comes along with this. I mean, the original MSRP on this one was, I believe, right below $59,000. And you're gonna get with that the LED headlights. You're also gonna get the, I believe it's called steel dome or power performance vented hood. I like this a lot. Check that cowl out. Got a nice sporty look to it. This one does not have the XR package, so you're gonna get a lot more tire poke. You don't have those fender extensions covering up those 12.5-inch wide tires. And of course, you get your rock rails, you got your plastic fenders. Here's the interior for you guys. Got your cloth Rubicon seats. Sky one-touch power top. Got your front and rear lockers, auxiliary switches. I can show you the back as well. So brand new. I believe this thing only has around maybe 30 miles on it currently. Give you a little up close on the window sticker. So base price was $49,300. Got the 3.6 liter V6. Check this out. $3,000 for the Sky One Touch power top. Originally in 2025, it was a $4,000 option. So $58,850 for this vehicle, from the factory. I believe with the upgrades, turnkey, out the box, ready to go, I think we're sitting at right at maybe $66,000. And you could have a semi modified Jeep Wrangler and the iconic 41 exterior. I mean, it's a clean, classy looking build. Nothing too fancy. It says, "Look at me." Just very nice. It's going to kind of wrap up today's video, you guys. Appreciate you all watching and checking out our channel. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out our website. If this is something you're interested in, it is available. You can check out crossjeep.com. Feel free to give us a call anytime at 502-537-1738. Other than that, y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.